What if Honda brings aggressive street style, killer mileage, and daily comfort all in one bike? Meet the all-new 2026 Honda CB Hornet 100, a small bike with big attitude. Waving hand sign introduction. Hello riders. Welcome back to Bike Brand Pro, your trusted channel for the latest motorcycle updates, reviews, and upcoming bikes. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Honda CB Hornet 100, a bike designed for city riders who want style, performance, and reliability at an affordable price. Motorcycle design and styling. The 2026 CB Hornet 100 comes with a sharp naked street fighter design. It features aggressive LED headlamp, muscular fuel tank, compact tail section, sporty alley wheels. Honda has clearly given this bike a premium and youthful look, perfect for daily commuting and college riders. Gear engine and performance. The new Honda CB Hornet 100 is powered by a 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine. Smooth fuel injection system. Estimated power, 7 to 8 HP. This bike focuses on smooth acceleration and low maintenance, making it ideal for city traffic and beginners. Fuel pump mileage and fuel efficiency. Mileage is where this bike really shines. Expected mileage, 55 to 65 kilometers per liter. Perfect for riders who want maximum savings on fuel without sacrificing style. Features and technology. Key features include digital instrument cluster, LED lighting setup, combi braking system, CBS, tubeless tires, comfortable upright riding position. Honda has focused on safety, comfort, and practicality. Moneybag expected price and launch. Expected price, $1,100 to $1,300, USA estimate. Launch expected in late 2025 or early 2026. This pricing makes it one of the most affordable naked bikes in its segment. Squared versus competitors. The CB Hornet 100 will compete with Yamaha Crux, Bajaj CT 110, TV's Radeon. But Honda's engine reliability and brand trust give it a strong edge. White heavy checkmark final verdict. The 2026 Honda CB Hornet 100 is perfect for daily commuters, new riders, budget-friendly bike lovers. Stylish, fuel-efficient, and reliable, this bike is built for the streets. Thumbs up sign call to action. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Bike Brand Pro for more bike updates. Comment below, would you buy the CB Hornet 100?